Hey everyone, today let's compare the two applications, the Linux Mint versus the Fedora. Which distro wins? Let's get started. So, based on the pros and cons, the Fedora always includes a latest open source technologies. The Fedora also great for developers and tech enthusiasts with a strong security and modern performance. It offers multiple editions like workstations, servers, and Silverblue. And the Fedora frequently updates the keep system cutting edge. However, Fedora can be challenging for beginners. Some software installation restrictions due to strict open source policies. The frequent updates may break certain apps or drivers, and this slightly higher system requirement for smooth experience. And the Linux Mint is ideal if you are switching from Windows and want a familiar layout. You can use an older or lower specs and prefer a lightweight, stable system with a fewer frequent updates. And if you want everything to work out of the box. For the Linux Mint, this is easy of use, beginner friendly, stability is great, and also its performance. Thus, software updates is also good. The community supports is great and it provides modern features. If you are for beginners and casual users, you can use a Linux Mint. It gives you stability, simplicity, and ease of use. While if you are a developer or a tech enthusiast and modern Linux users, use Fedora because it gives you innovation, modern tools, and developer-focused feature. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.